Hi, it's Mike from Cyber Guys. We're going to take 3 minutes to do a quick tech talk. I want to answer a simple question. What is QUIC? And will QUIC change the internet as we know it? QUIC is an innovation that Google introduced to the internet that allows for some of the benefits of fast streaming UDP without losing the benefits of a connection-oriented TCP connection. And that's really the big difference. The idea of taking what we've been doing for some time with real-time protocol and other video and voice and application level sessions to actually introduce it as a lower level protocol that can work together with the existing infrastructure. We use it for all of our fast-based communications. It's been used for a long time for online gaming, for voice and video communication. Any streaming network that you're using is mostly relying on UDP. But how do you maintain a session if it's based on this connectionless protocol? Well, it's been done at the application layer. The applications that work on each side set up a peer connection that facilitates communication without trusting the subsystem to do it for you. In other words, instead of the operating system figuring out how to stream your content, the applications do. Well, what Google did with QUIC was essentially to do that same approach. As you can see in this diagram, when you compare side by side how we do secure communications on the web with a conventional TCP/IP connection versus the way we do it with QUIC, well, right away you can notice that the integration of security, the offloading of packetization, but the management of session quality control, keeping that connection-oriented link between the two sides, all of that is worked out in the QUIC layer. And then you can simply pass up what's handled at the next layer too. At first glance, it may seem that there are just as many layers to doing secure web communication with conventional TCP/IP and TLS as there is with QUIC. But looking closer, you realize that instead of everything happening one at a time, there's more integration and therefore more speed. Taking it from the bottom, on the conventional side, you see TCP/IPs handling your flow control, your session management, your packetization. On the right with QUIC, you only use UDP for packetization, nothing else. So you put it on the net, you pass it along, you're done. On the left, you'll notice that TLS is a separate layer from TCP, and you have to do your handshake and negotiation to set up your TLS connection, and all that stuff is handled, encryption and decryption, your IKE, all that stuff is handled as a distinct layer. Where with QUIC, your encryption and decryption is handled as part of the stream multiplexing, reliability, and congestion control aspects of a transport protocol that's more reliable. You only use TLS for the authentication and key negotiation in the initial setup, and everything else is handled there. So ultimately, you get a much faster, secure connection. Everything has to be encrypted, and you only use your lower level transport network subsystem for just putting it out on the net and getting it out of your way. Really, based on this, you can see why it's become a standard already. It's RFC 9000. Will it change the way we do things on the internet? Probably. Just give it a little time, and we'll see why QUIC is really a quicker solution. This has been a 3-minute tech talk from Mike of the Cyber Guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.